Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for a new video. This time we're going to have an unboxing video. I got in my hands today the new OnePlus Ace or 10R 5G for other regions. The box is long again, like the usual OnePlus boxes the last years. It's all red, and let's try to open it. I really miss the old times with the cutter, but let's try this way with a sticker. Okay, it seems that it works. Let's take out the plastic wrap. Actually, I really like the OnePlus boxes. They are very different from any other company, and I like this kind of smooth velvet feeling on the hard box paper around and inside. Now everywhere is these Ace markings and not 10R. Like I said before in my previous video, in China, mainland China, it's called Ace. I don't know if it's going to be in any other place out of mainland China, but here it's not 10R 5G but Ace. Alright, let's go inside the box. That's the usual envelope that we can see in every OnePlus phone. That's the phone itself. It's actually the forest green version. It has two actually colors. One is the forest green and the other one is the black. Okay, inside the box we can see a clear case that it has some kind of blue, green, purple accents. Actually, it depends where the color lights on. It gives a different kind of accent. This is a cable, the usual cable, the red cable that is very popular for OnePlus phones, and that's the charging brick. This is a VOOC, Super VOOC brick, comes straight from Oppo phones, and this is 150 watt power. This should charge the phone very fast. Okay, let's put this back. And let's see what is in this red envelope. Okay, this is for the SIM card tool. And yep, that's the stickers. One in black and one in red accent. Just some instructions. And the usual, I think it's some kind of notes from the boss to the new OnePlus owner. Let's put back the SIM card tool. Let's leave this aside. And let's go to the main subject, that it's the phone itself. Now let's see the phone. Actually, it's not a small phone. It's quite big, and it has a very nice feeling. Like I said before, it reminds me a lot of the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro sides, because it has the flat sides. It has very good build quality actually. I mean, it doesn't feel like a cheap phone. I like the back very much, It has many different accents of colors, depend where the lights is hitting the phone. And I like the lines. Actually, it makes some beautiful design. And let's turn it on. I will set it up and let's see. It's the usual nice OnePlus logo. And here we are. Let's put some English. And let me prepare it for you. And here we are with the everything set. The screen is really nice and bright, smooth. Let's not forget it's 120 Hz HDR10 plus. Let's go to the settings. Very smooth, very nice. So like I said before, this is a MediaTek CPU 8100, and this is the version with 8 GB RAM. It feels good in hand. Actually, it reminds me a lot of the iPhone 13 Pro and 30 Pro Max. Now, let's put it together with, since this phone is the 10R, let's try to put it together with the 10 Pro. And let's see the design differences that the two phones have. Now, you can see the curved sides of the 10 Pro compared with the flat sides of this OnePlus Ace or 10R. You can see that the size is very, very similar. And the 10 Pro feels a little bit thinner because of the design, these kind of curves in the design. But other than that, there are many similar stuff like the SIM tray position, the USB-C, and the speakers. Now, what is missing in the 10R or Ace is actually the side switch. And I know that many people actually mention that. This is the back side comparison. Both of them feel very nice, actually. Now, the camera setup, of course, is different, and this is the other side. You can see that in the Ace or 10R, there are two buttons for up and down, for volume up and down, compared with one button in the OnePlus 10 Pro. Now let's go a little bit in the camera and let's see what kind of settings we can see there. There's one 50 megapixel setting. They're all the usual settings for the OnePlus phone. Of course, there's no Hasselblad here. There is a night mode, of course. Actually, I really like the flat design and the flat front screen compared with the curved screens. I really feel that a phone with a flat screen, it's much more easier to use and easy to find a screen protector. Now, this is a color OS phone because I got it from mainland China. So it runs with this kind of OS, but it has all the Google services inside, so if you want to change it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment for anything you want to ask me. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.